founder of the LaserPages.com. I'd like to welcome you to another educational segment. The segment today we're going to talk about laser skin resurfacing. And laser skin resurfacing is a very popular cosmetic procedure being performed by physicians all across our country today. And it is affording people the opportunity to have a more youthful complexion, and it's making this possible in just a single visit to your doctor's office. The benefits of laser skin resurfacing are significant when compared with traditional cosmetic surgery. There's less healing time, and generally speaking, there are less risk of complications. Not to mention the cost of a laser skin resurfacing procedure is generally far less than traditional plastic surgery. As compared to some of the less invasive, less expensive procedures out there like microdermabrasion or chemical peels, those, while they may offer some results, are relatively limited in their ability to produce the significant results of laser skin resurfacing. And the reason for that is that these procedures merely take off or deal with the upper layers of the skin. The laser is able to treat and warm down into the deeper levels of skin, therefore increasing the production of collagen and also taking off deeper layers of skin to allow more room for fresh new skin to grow. Laser skin resurfacing works by ablating or vaporizing old, damaged, discolored, or imperfections in the skin with a laser. These intense beams of light actually cause the skin to vaporize. When that skin vaporizes, it leaves room for new, fresh skin to grow in its place. The procedure itself stimulates an increase in production of collagen fibers, which is what is responsible for the elasticity in our skin and gives your skin a much more youthful appearance. Also, the new skin, as it grows in, has a higher concentration of blood flow in that particular area, and that pinkness or newness with that blood flow definitely gives the skin a much more youthful appearance. Laser skin removal is a relatively safe procedure. There are some risks with any medical procedure, and some to note with laser skin resurfacing are possible scarring, burning, skin discoloration, either hypopigmentation or hyperpigmentation, which is either a lightening or a darkening of the skin, and then there's always a risk of possible infection. However, if you do follow the aftercare instructions provided by your physician following your procedure, certainly those risks will be minimized. Laser skin resurfacing is a relatively painless procedure because it's done while you're either under local anesthesia, which is a numbing of the area that is being treated, or it's done with general anesthesia, which actually puts you to sleep during the procedure. Any pain or discomfort that you may feel will happen during the healing process, but certainly can be addressed with prescription medications and treatments that will be prescribed by your doctor in your aftercare instructions and follow-up visits to your doctor's office. Be sure to discuss all of your sedation and pain management options up front prior to your procedure so that you can be most comfortable before, during, and after your laser skin resurfacing. Healing time from laser skin resurfacing can vary from individual to individual. Generally speaking, it takes 10 to up to 21 days for the healing process to take place. Of course, that can vary and be longer or shorter based upon your age, your skin type and color, how damaged your skin is, how many imperfections your skin had, the depth of the actual laser skin resurfacing treatment, the settings the machine was actually set on, and what type of laser was actually used, as well as the skill of your surgeon. So when you're thinking about doing a procedure like this, you definitely do need to allow for that 10 to 21 days of healing time, and definitely follow all aftercare instructions provided by your physician. The lasting effects of laser skin resurfacing vary from individual to individual based upon several factors. Obviously your age, the rate at which your skin particularly ages, how wrinkled and or damaged your skin was prior to the procedure, the depth at which the laser actually treated your particular skin, what type of technology or laser equipment was actually used for your procedure. The skill of your particular laser surgeon is also an important factor, as well as how well you adhered to any aftercare instructions so that you optimized your healing process. All of these factors come into play in determining how long your laser skin resurfacing results will last. It is not a permanent result, and it does not stop the aging process. However, at some point in time, if you do like the results from your laser skin resurfacing, as many out there do, you will most likely want to redo the procedure several years down the road. Because laser skin resurfacing is an elective procedure, it is not covered by major medical insurance, and you will have to pay out of pocket for your procedure. However, most offices out there today offering laser skin resurfacing do have some sort of in-office payment program, so you definitely need to inquire about that. And if that is not an option, there are many third-party sources out there available to you that do offer financing, very attractive rates and very attractive terms. So definitely inquire about those prior to your procedure, and that way you can proceed with it whether or not you choose to pay for the entire procedure up front, or if you need some assistance as far as financing. If you looked at a national average today for laser skin resurfacing, the average cost for a procedure today is about $2,400. You will find practitioners out there where you can get the procedure less than that, or you can get the procedure more for that. But it definitely is dependent upon what your specific goals are for your procedure, how big of a treatment area they're going to treat, what type of technology they're using, and also the skill and the experience of the physician. So before you get your procedure done, I encourage you to talk with many providers out there and inquire about all the costs and what that includes. Make sure that the price you get quoted is in writing and does include not only the treatment, but any aftercare and prescriptions that may be necessary throughout your healing process. The last topic that I want to cover today is how to best find a laser surgeon to perform your laser skin resurfacing procedure. Finding somebody out there that has the credentials that you are looking for, has the equipment that you desire, can be an intimidating process. That's why we formed the laserpages.com. It is an online directory of laser surgeons that perform laser skin resurfacing and many other cosmetic procedures, and it is easily searchable. You can go in there and look at reviews from other patients for various service providers. You can look at video, before and after pictures. You can read articles written by the various professionals on their area of specialization, and it's very easy to find laser skin resurfacing physicians in your local area. So I encourage you to go on there today, look around, be sure to contact several providers, go in person, sit down, see their facilities, ask questions about the technology they use, ask questions about aftercare, ask questions about pricing and financing, ask questions about their experience, ask questions about how they would handle a complication should you experience, and how they've handled complications in the past with their past experience. I hope this information has been helpful to you. I'm William Nayrod for the Laser Pages. Thank you very much.